Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the brand new OPPO Find X8 Pro, and I've got right here in my hands. This one is one of the most anticipated smartphone of the year, and I've been using it for the past few days to bring you my first impression, a rundown of its specification, and of course, the price. So, is this the true flagship killer? Let's find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out all the latest tech reviews. Alright, let's get it started. First up, let's dive into the design of the OPPO Find X8 Pro, which continues the brand's tradition of sleek, premium builds with a stunning glass back featuring a matte finish that feels great in the hand and resists fingerprints, keeping it looking clean and elegant. Despite its large size, the phone feels surprisingly light yet solid and sturdy, thanks to its robust aluminum frame and a weight of just 215 grams, striking the perfect balance between heft and portability. The massive camera module housing a sophisticated quad-camera setup is seamlessly integrated into the back panel, ensuring it doesn't feel bulky or unbalanced while adding to the phone's premium aesthetics. Durability is a key highlight, with an IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistant, meaning it can withstand submersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and even resist high-pressure water jets, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures or accidental spills. Available in two stunning color options like pearl white and space black, the Find X8 Pro exudes sophistication. At the right side features a responsive power button and volume rocker, while the bottom houses a speaker grill, USB-C port, microphone, and SIM tray. On the left, you'll find a signature OPPO toggle switch, customizable for quick access to features like the camera or silent mode. And the top includes a microphone for enhanced noise cancellation and IR blaster for controlling home appliances, showcasing OPPO's thoughtful attention to detail in both style and functionality. Now, let's talk about the display. The OPPO Find X8 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED LTPO 3.0 display with a 120Hz refresh rate and with a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Support HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is insane, and the bezels are practically non-existent. So whether you are scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, this screen is an absolute treat for the eyes. Alright, let's move on to the camera, which is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The OPPO Find X8 Pro features a quad-camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad. You get a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a dual 50MP periscope telephoto lenses with 3x and 6x optical zoom, and of course, 32MP selfie shooter. The results? It's absolutely stunning. The colors are natural, the dynamic range is excellent, and the low-light performance is a top-notch. And for video enthusiasts, it can record 4K at up to 60 frames per second, both rear and front cameras. Now under the hood, the OPPO Find X8 Pro is powered with the latest Mediatek Dimensity 9400, a 3nm chipset paired with 16GB of RAM plus 12GB of virtual RAM and 512GB of internal storage. This thing is a beast when it comes to performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, it handles everything with ease. And with its 5910 mAh battery and 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, you're looking at all-day battery life, and a full charge in just under 45 minutes. On the software side, the phone runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with features. Now, let's talk about the price. The OPPO Find X8 Pro priced at 4,099 dirhams here in Dubai. It's definitely on the pricier side, but considering the specs and the premium experience, it's well worth it if you're looking for a flagship device. So there you have it, my first impression of the OPPO Find X8 Pro. It's a powerhouse of phone with a stunning design, incredible cameras, and top-tier performance. If you're in the market for a premium smartphone, this one should definitely be on your radar. Let me know in the comments what you think about this OPPO Find X8 Pro. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.